It's an honor to have you here, so please welcome Dr. Tony Nader. Dr. Tony Nader received his medical degree from the American University of Beirut. His Ph.D. in Brain and Cognitive Science is from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He was a clinical and research fellow in neurology at the Massachusetts General Hospital, Harvard Medical School, and assistant director of the Clinical Research Center at MIT. He is the founder and editor-in-chief of the International Journal of Mathematics and Consciousness. His interest in enlightenment and full human potential led him to the practice of transcendental meditation. And he soon began working closely with Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. And it's very significant to me that when Maharishi passed away in 2008, that he asked Dr. Nader to be the individual who would oversee all the research and all the programs, meditation programs, nonprofit meditation programs in 120 countries. You were on a trajectory, or were you on a trajectory of just, modern medicine and psychiatry and dispensing medications, which I know you support, that's fine, but as in what could have been just an adjunct or a avocation became a vocation. What was it about this knowledge that attracted you?
When it is said the kingdom of heaven is within you, I took it literally. How do I get there? Let's see what I do. And if it is true, what do I do to get there? And this technique just gave the answer. Instead of looking outside, which is also great. I mean, we want to be wealthy, we want to be happy, we want to have beautiful things. It's absolutely wonderful. It's nothing against this. But it's not going to give us what we're really looking for, ultimately in life. And if this thing is somewhere within me, closest to me, then this technique says, close the eyes, and let the mind go towards the inside. And then the mind itself does the job. So there is no forcing, no trying. It's a simple technique that allows the mind to settle down, and experience the self. And even from the time of Socrates and the Greeks and all of that, know thyself was written on the doors on Delphi when you go there for the oracle. One thing you have to do, know thyself. This was the greatest wisdom of all time. Where is our self? It's within us. So doesn't it deserve a few minutes, morning and evening, to go back to ourself, to go back to that infinity within us, and to know who we really are? And that is really what fascinated me, and it wasn't just a philosophy. Going back to the self is not something of the intellect, it's not something of the mind alone. It's a direct experience of who one is. And what happens with that is amazing, because when the mind settles, the body settles, stresses go away. And this is why all the research that you were talking about and all the results, the good results on the individual level and on social level happen.